1 divided by 1 times the quantity 1 plus 1. Looks simple with all those ones, right? You're about to get destroyed by the simplest numbers in math. Here's what everyone does. 1 plus 1 is 2, then 1 divided by 1 times 2. Most people think, well, 1 times 2 is 2, so 1 divided by 2 is 1/2. That's the trap answer, and it's wrong. The mistake is treating 1 times 2 as a chunk that belongs together. But once the parentheses are solved, you don't have a special bond between that one and the 2. You have division and multiplication side by side, which means left to right. Let me show you the correct path. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 divided by 1 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. The answer is 2, not 1/2. You were off by a factor of 4. This problem uses the simplest numbers possible to prove you don't know the rules. If this humbled you, hit that like button and subscribe. Sometimes the easiest looking problems are the most brutal.